In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a leaky faucet in your kitchen. It is super easy. It's important that you repair your leaky faucet because if you don't, it could cost you a lot of money. In fact, I was looking at a study here that says that a simple, small, teeny leak could cost you $20 a year. And if you have a more significant leak, it could leak 30 to hundreds of gallons of wasted water per day and could cost you a couple $100s per year. Also, if you follow these steps and repair your leaky faucet, you won't have to buy a new faucet, which could cost anywhere from like $40 to $200. If you're here for the first time, you should subscribe. I do lots of DIY, home improvement, home renovation videos. For doing this repair, you'll need some pliers. You'll also need a little hex wrench thing to loosen the screw here, or you might need a Phillips screwdriver depending on what kind of handle you have on your faucet. First step is you need to turn off your water. So underneath your sink there should be little water turn-offs for your hot and cold water. So we're going to come down here and it should look something like this. So here is our warm water. So we're going to go like this and then turn it off. There we go. You can hear that stopped the leaking water from the faucet, so now it's not dripping. I actually don't even have to turn off my cold water, so I'm just going to leave my cold water on. So I turned off my suspicious hot water, so you can see it's not turning on when I turn this. The next step is I am going to unscrew it. Right here is a little hex wrench screw thing, so I'm going to unscrew that with this kind of a wrench right here and take this guy off. So when it pops off, you got to be very careful you don't lose this piece. So I'm going to go and put it in this little pie tin, pop this off, put that in the pie tin as well. When you take this off, it's actually, you might consider cleaning if you have any hard water deposits. I actually just did that, just barely. You can take some vinegar and get it wet and then get a sponge and then just kind of scrape off this hard water deposit. Anyway, it makes it look brand new. It's real nice after taking off the hard water deposit. So this nut, you can see, is actually a little bit loose right here. So before you go ahead and replace this cartridge, if it's a good cartridge, you might just need to tighten this nut. So righty-tighty. So we're going to try that. Okay, so now that this is tight, it hopefully won't leak anymore. But if it does leak after you tighten this, then what you want to do is unscrew this. Then you want to unscrew this and replace this cartridge. Whoop. So you should be able to buy, this new cartridge at Home Depot or Menards or Lowe's, a home improvement store like that. But I'm going to try it without replacing this cartridge. So I'm going to put this back in here and I'm going to tighten it up and hope it will work. Let's see if it works. So, before I screw this back on, I'm going to go ahead and it's kind of a weird angle now. So I just loosened this nut, and since it wasn't quite straight, I kind of moved it to where it was straight. So you move it like that when it's loose, and then you can go ahead and tighten this. Okay, let's give that a try. I'm not going to screw it on yet, I'm just going to give it a test. So let's go back underneath. I'm going to turn back on the warm water. Okay, so far so good. I don't see any leaking water. Now let's try turning it on. Oh, look at that, guys. think we have fixed our leaky kitchen faucet. Now I'm going to secure this handle back on it. I'm going to put down the towel here this time so that way if the screw thing falls down it won't go down the drain. Alright guys, so that's how you repair a leaky faucet in your kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to give it a thumbs up if it was helpful and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much.